Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how I make my toasted coconuts. For this recipe, I'm using 2 large coconuts. I'll pierce the soft core of the coconuts, and that's where I'll be extracting the liquid from, that is the coconut water. And I'll be extracting the juice from it. I got 1 cup of coconut juice from these coconuts, and I'll be using the liquid I extracted from these coconuts for another recipe. After extracting the juice from the coconuts, I'll break open the coconuts, and I'm heating the coconuts on a concrete slab. You need to heat it very hard to break it open. I'll be shredding the coconuts finely, and I'm using the smaller shredding blade for grating the coconuts. Here we have our shredded coconuts or grated coconuts. Over a medium to high heat, I'll place a pan on the pot and pour in the grated coconuts. I'll continue to stir this until the heat is evenly distributed in the coconuts. I'm reducing the heat because the grated coconut is now at the same temperature, so I'll reduce that to the lowest heat. I'll continue to stir it until they are golden brown, then I'll turn off the flame. The toasted coconut is ready. As you can see, the coconut is beginning to release its oil, and it is completely dry. From the sound, you would know it's completely dried, and I would allow this to cool down completely. I will store this in an airtight container till I'm ready to use it. I actually used this toasted coconut to decorate my daughter's birthday cake, and it was so gorgeous. I also have some recipes I made for my daughter's birthday. I'll put down the link to those videos at the description box once I upload them. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye bye. No, leave us, not to the cake. No, not to the cake. Not to the cake. This guy go use one. Now one hand. Pray. See.